Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. We do have a chance for some showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. Small chance for a severe storm in our east central and southeastern counties here. We'll show you futurecast here in just a second. High temperatures? No, these are low temperatures. Look how muggy it's going to be tonight. Upper 60s to near 70 degrees. Temperatures will warm a few degrees in the morning, and then temperatures will slowly drop later in the afternoon as a front passes on by, also with rain and some thunderstorms that'll pass on through the region. And the muggy conditions will be around through the day tomorrow. That's the reason why the overnight lows are so warm, upper 60s. But after that, Wednesday through the rest of the week into the weekend, dew points a bit more manageable in the upper 50s. Now, as for that wind, not too bad tonight, 10-15 miles per hour. It does get a bit windy around here during the day tomorrow. It's a southwest wind through the afternoon. Here's 3 o'clock, and then by 6 o'clock it turns to the northwest. So between 3 and 6 o'clock, that front is going to be moving on through the area, and that's when the wind will switch from a southwest to northwest. It does start to die down, but also the temperatures will also start to get a bit cooler around here. That's also when we'll have the best chance at seeing some rain and some thunderstorms. As for the highs tomorrow, 70s, not going to warm a whole lot from what will start the day. As we get into the afternoon, some of these numbers will drop down into the 60s. Again, that's after the front passes on by. And then temperatures will even out as we get through the day on Wednesday, through the end of the week and into the weekend, upper 70s to low 80s. Now, here's Futurecast showing dry conditions here through the evening hours. This is midnight. After midnight, clouds will be on the increase. And then by 5 o'clock in the morning, we'll start to see some showers, maybe a couple of thunderstorms approaching our southwestern counties. Now, watch what happens in the next couple of hours. Those storms weaken as they move to the northeast. This is 9 o'clock. Not a whole lot of rain, just a couple of spotty showers, a little better chance west and north. Farther east and south, less of a chance, and a lot of clouds. Now, as we head through the morning hours, notice in this area, there hasn't been much in the way of any rain. It's all been north and west by lunchtime. That changes as we get into the afternoon hours. Another little slug of moisture moves through. Everybody has a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Now, that small window between 3 and about 6 is when that front will pass on by, and that's when we'll see the potential for some thunderstorms that could be strong to severe. But we've had that rain and clouds throughout a good portion of the morning and afternoon across much of the region, with the exception of eastern Iowa, when that one area of rain moved on by. Did that mess up the atmosphere enough that we don't see any severe weather? Well, Futurecast shows that some thunderstorms are possible, but all the stronger storms are to the east. So we'll have some rain, a couple isolated storms, and by 6 o'clock, that's it when it comes to any thunderstorms. I think we'll just see some rain after that. This is 9 o'clock. We'll still have the rain during the overnight hours. This is midnight. Elkader to Cedar Rapids and eastward, still some rain. That shifts from Dubuque to Cedar Rapids as we get in through the overnight. 7 o'clock in the morning, yes, there may be a few rain showers real early as the sun comes up, but then that moves away and we've got sunshine for a good portion of the day. And that'll continue for the afternoon hours. For tonight, increasing clouds, chance for some rain late in our western counties. 60s to about 70 for overnight lows, and daytime highs will be in the upper 60s to the middle 70s. Again, this will be about early afternoon, and then after about 3 o'clock, the temperatures should start to drop as that wind switches direction. Dry conditions here on Wednesday, 70s for highs. As we look ahead to Thursday, 70s are expected for highs once again. 7-day forecast, Storm Track 7 yellow alert day coming up on Tuesday. That's for that severe storm threat in our southeastern counties. Dry on Wednesday. Any rain that occurs, beneficial. Could be up to an inch in a few spots, Tuesday and Tuesday night. Thursday's dry. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, isolated storms possible. Temperatures will be in the upper 70s to about 80. Overnight lows, 50s to about 60.